Place the used dishes in the dishwasher. Dishwasher lid lock. The dishwasher starts cleaning automatically. These are the dishes after washing. Place the used dishes back into the dishwasher and start the timer again. Dishwasher lid lock. The dishwasher starts cleaning automatically. Cleans in just about 1 minute. Thanks for watching. We're waiting for you in Guangzhou Glebe.